Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project. Today we're making these cutlery pouches. With little flaps, they're nice and quick and easy ways to decorate your holiday table, or any time of year table. And they're great for picnics too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty more sewing and crafting projects. Or check out my Etsy shop where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with the cutting measurements, the materials lists, step-by-step instructions, color photos, and any printable templates needed. And since it's a digital pattern, you can download it and get started sewing today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need 2 contrasting fat quarters, cotton batting, double fold elastic, an optional walking foot, and of course the printable template. First, cut out the templates and tape them together to make one long piece. Place the piece of main fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the lining on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. And center the batting on top of that. Place a template on top, pin it in place, and cut out the fabric and batting stack. Then use the template to cut out 3 more stacks. Open the bottom of one of the stacks with the right sides of the fabric showing. Center a 3.5-inch long piece of elastic in between the 2 stacks at the spots shown on the template and pin the elastic in place. Stitch all around the piece using a 1/4-inch seam allowance, leaving a space open for turning. Clip the corners and cut away the extra batting at the opening. Turn right side out, making sure the elastic crosses the main fabric and not the lining fabric when you're finished. Push out the corners and press. Fold the opening under and press to make a crease. Use caution when you're pressing near the elastic to keep it from melting. Top stitch along the short edge near the elastic 1/8 of an inch from those outside edges. With the lining on the inside, fold the bottom edge up 9 inches to form a pocket and press it. Use fabric clips or pins to hold the pocket in place. Secure the pocket by stitching all around the entire piece about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Shorten your stitch length when back tacking at the pocket openings to provide some additional security. Then fold the top pocket down 2 inches and press it. Open the flap back up, insert the cutlery into the holder, and close the flap by placing it underneath the elastic. Do that with your other 3, and just like that, just that fast, you have a set of cutlery holders for any occasion. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.